Hey, what's up? It's Asher, and after a long break from the YouTube, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about Haylou's solar smartwatch. But first of all, it doesn't have solar capability as mentioned in the name. Now let's unbox it and see what's in there. In the box, you will find the watch itself, the manual guide, and a magnetic USB charging cable. So that's it in the box. The Haylou's LS05 falls in the Xiaomi's ecosystem. Displays a 1.28 inches TFT with 240 by 240 pixels resolution. This little button on the right side serves to go back to the menu. The watch feels a bit of premium due to the metal body and ceramic-like back. The watch comes with the optical heart rate monitor and an accelerometer for fitness tracking. It's got Bluetooth 5 to pair with your phone. It's got IP68 water resistance, which allows you to take a shower and swim with it. The watch comes with the price tag of $35. The straps are made of rubber. They actually feel good and soft on the wrist. The metallic clasp of the watch also gives you a premium feel. The band weighs 54 grams. To set it up, it has to be paired with your smartphone. For that, you will need to install the Haylou's Fit app, which is used for firmware updates, sync fitness data, permissions for notifications, and other features. You can also install the app by just scanning the QR code on the watch. The Haylou Solar Smartwatch works on both iOS and Android operating system. Now let's talk about the software. You can change the watch face by just pressing and holding the watch face. There are not too many watch faces available. You only got 5 of them, which basically gets the job done. You can quick access apps by swiping to the right and left side. First we have do not disturb mode, weather forecast, sleep monitoring, and continuous heart rate monitoring. You can also swipe from the top to get your quick settings. Here you can adjust your brightness level. Display brightness of the watch is not too good or not too bad. Find my phone, do not disturb mode, and the setting menu. By swiping up from the bottom, you can access the main menu. First of all, we have status with your fitness information, continuous heart rate monitoring. Next one is sports, in which you can start all kind of fitness exercises, which includes jogging, fast walking, biking, climbing, spinning, yoga, indoor running, integrated running, gymnastics, basketball, football, and rowing. Weather forecast, sleep information, notification list from your phone, music control, which will control the music on your smartphone. In the more menu, you can find stopwatch, countdown, find phone, and breathe training. At last, we have settings. You can change watch face, brightness, and power off or reset it to the default settings. There are 2 magnetic connectors for charger. The watch gets fully used up in 2 hours and gives you backup of 30 days without and 15 days with continuous heart rate monitoring. Well, actually that's what they claim, but in my usage I got 10 to 12 days with continuous heart rate monitoring and 23 days without continuous heart rate monitoring. Another downside is the display of the smartwatch. Due to the resolution of the screen, it shows you some aliasing, especially when you watch it closely, but that's where the price cuts off. I also quite didn't like the sleep monitoring and the step counting algorithm of the watch. This watch only tracks your sleep once a day, and even when you shake your wrist, it counts it as a step. But on the bright side, it's a $35 smartwatch with a nice and clean design, long battery life, and various health options. But my conclusion is I am still gonna stick with my Honor Band because of that AMOLED display, Huawei's True Sleep, and a better accelerometer sensor. So that's it. Hope you guys liked the video. Let me know what you think about it and have any questions in the comment section. Peace.